Hey there, today's video we will find that how to plug in the ZEBRONICS Clarity premium gaming microphone. So for that you have to open the sound in the Windows setting. Click on recording, click on microphone, click on properties, click on listen. You have plugged in the your ZEBRONICS premium gaming microphone Zeb Klarity. Click on listen to this device. Click apply. Click OK. So that's how we see the plug-in connection of premium gaming microphone Zeb Clarity. So that was how we plugged in the gaming microphone Zeb Clarity. So if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Focus. Thank you. Have a nice day.